Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable removable devices from your PC using group policy so that your USB port is disabled and you cannot access the USB or external hard disk. We all know the risks of USB port when you plug into USB port of your PC and may contain viruses, malwares, unwanted copy of files. You copy them unknowingly or that gets launched automatically by the auto run or auto plug feature of your PC. We've all got viruses through USB ports, so one of the ways to keep your PC clean and secure is disabling the USB port. So let's get started. Click on the window Start, type in the search gpedit.mcs. okay, now we've got here the local group policy editor. Double click on computer configuration, double click on administrative templates. Now double click on system. We're gonna choose removable storage access, and here's the settings for removable storage access. We're gonna choose all removable storage classes, deny all access, right click, edit, and this window shows all removable storage classes, deny all access. It should be not configured, so we're gonna enable it. Okay, now we have a hard drive, so let's see if it's working or not. Now click on open folder to view files, and tada, your access is denied. So let's go back and not configured. Okay, and now click on open folder to view files, and here is your folders. This is our tutorial for today. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.